This wooden pentagonal roller knife sharpener has a truly ingenious design. With a multi-angle design, it allows for easy switching among 5 different angles. Made of high-quality beech wood, it features graceful lines and combines practicality with convenience. The surface of the magnetic roller comes with both a 400 grit coarse grinding surface and a 1000 grit fine grinding surface. You can use the 400 grit whetstone for rough grinding first, and then carry out fine grinding with the 1000 grit whetstone. Both the front and back sides of the knife can be sharpened comprehensively, making the knife smoother and more lustrous. It is both beautiful and stylish, providing a wonderful experience that combines high efficiency and excellent quality.